don't mind, gotta say that shit. Should I take your love, should I take that dick? Got a whole lot of options, 'cause you know.
Hey guys, it's Lexi, and today, y'all know what we're doing. We're doing another wig review, and the thing is, I bought a wig off MERCARI. There's a seller on there called the KB Collection who is like, I guess, an official store who has their wigs. Well, I went on there, bought a wig. It was $59 plus shipping, so it was $62, I think. But yeah, I haven't even like pulled it out of the little net yet, so haven't even really looked at it, but it does look really pretty from what I've seen on MERCARI. And to be honest, what I felt of it, it is super soft. So I'm really excited for this. So the seller is named the KB Collection. I've never bought a wig from her before. I don't really buy wigs off MERCARI because normally they are a scam. But you never know, we're gonna try it. Her Instagram is shop.with.KB. Her MERCARI is the KB Collection, and the poshmark is Kaylas_Boutique. I will leave that in the description for her. It also comes with a card for maintenance. It says, gently detangle the hair from ends to roots using a paddle brush or wide tooth comb. Turn the wig inside out, wet the hair with lukewarm water from the top to reduce tangling. Apply shampoo in a downward motion and rinse until water runs clear. Turn the wig cap back and repeat above steps with cold water while applying conditioner. Gently squeeze out excess water and pat dry with towel. Do not roll or rub the hair onto the towel. Place the wig on a wig stand and air dry. We recommend using smaller head size to avoid stretching the cap. Use heat appliances when hair is completely dried. Apply a small amount of hair lotion or serum as needed. On the back, it says hair type and style / texture. So I have a human hair blend, which is naturally straight. The approximate length is 14 to 16 inches. Here is the wig. I haven't cut the lace yet. It's a little frizzy. We're gonna have to brush through this. But it is a dark brown color with 613 highlights in the front. Let me brush this out. At least I brushed that with a paddle brush. Oh god. Wig detangler. I'm gonna spray some wig detangler on it. That helps a lot. There's no shedding at all. The hair is super soft to be a human hair blend. It feels really nice. I can run my fingers through it really easily and it's not tangling. It was probably just tangled because it was being in the package. The lace is really nice. I might have to pre-pluck it a little bit, but it said in the description that it wasn't pre-plucked, so I'm not expecting it to be. I plucked it a tiny little bit, but not a lot. So here's what it looks like right now. I'm gonna braid my hair up really quick and try it on. Here is the wig with the lace not cut. To be honest, it's really cute. This is so cute. Oop. I'm gonna take this off and cut the lace real quick. Okay, so I went ahead and cut the lace with my eyebrow razor. The inside is just a normal cap construction. It has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and an adjustable band. I'm gonna just go ahead and put this on now. Oof. This is cute. Okay. I do need to pre-pluck this. But besides that, this is cute. Yes. Yeah. Let's put some concealer in the part. Alright, so we put some concealer in the part, which I think makes her look a lot better. Yes. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some baby hairs with my razor. Okay, so I added a baby hair at the top, a few baby hairs. This is really cute. I just don't know if it suits me. But maybe I'm lying, maybe it's cute. Maybe it does suit me, you know? I think I just I'm gonna put some mousse on the top. Okay, this looks better with it flat. I do like the natural texture, so I'm not gonna flat iron it or curl it because I really like this. I think this is cute. Yeah, this is cute. Oh my gosh. This is actually really soft and really nice. I'm really surprised because I was not expecting this. Especially off Mercari because you know, I mean, I can always get my money back. I sell on Mercari, but I don't know. I was just not expecting this. I was scared as fuck, but this is cute. This is what the back looks like. It's really nice. Ooh. Ooh. This is so cute. Okay. I think that's it. I think that's really all we can do to it. Like, it actually looks really nice, just like this. I don't have to do much to it. It's like the purple wig. So, free tress. This is really nice. Like, bitch. This is so cute. This keeps fucking up, really. If y'all want this swimsuit, y'all, I got it from Shein for like $12. But I'm wearing it as an outfit because I don't give a fuck. And I have no boobs, but I don't give a fuck. This is cute, so I'm gonna wear it. And it's only $12, so. But yeah, guys, I really like this. I think I'm gonna buy some more from them. And we'll review more from them on Mercari. And I'll also do a few more wigs from Mercari because I think it's fun to do wigs from other places instead of just like beauty supply and stuff, because you never know what's gonna happen. You can get scammed, which is not fun, but I want to learn for y'all. So if I get scammed, you won't get scammed. But yeah, I really hope y'all like this. I think this is cute. I'll take some pictures for y'all and insert it as I normally do. But okay, y'all, I really hope y'all like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe as usual. And I'll leave my Instagram link down below too if you want to follow me, LexiGreen_. And I'll also leave the KB Collection, their Instagram, Mercari, and Poshmark if y'all want to buy a wig from them. And if you do like this wig, go buy it because they sell out really fast on Mercari and they do not come back in stock for a while, because I wanted a wig and I didn't buy it because I need to save money and it's gone now, and I know I can never get it, but it's okay. I got this one and I'll probably get a whole bunch of more for y'all and review them for you. But yeah, I really do like this. This is so cute. I'm honestly in love, especially with this color. Like, oh my god. Yes. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll make sure to do more videos for y'all like this and a whole bunch of other videos like AliExpress, Amazon, whatever y'all want, clothing hauls, makeup tutorials. Just leave a comment down below if you would like me to do something different or a recommendation. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!